Hingo ciothe riria mundu akinyeria gukungwira muthi wa guciarwo, aingi aitu twambagia mehariria ma muthi uyu o kabere niguo gwithema mihinga o yothe iria ingithararia gikeno na ugemu wa muthi uyu. Kuri Sheridan Imani kairetu ka miaka 9 kuma itura ria Lungalunga kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, onire kwagiriire akungwire muthi wake wa guciarwo na njira ya mwanya na kurianira na aria matari.
Kwa nataka kuwasaidia, nilikuwa nataka tu kuwashika moyoni zao na nawapenda sana. Sikuwa nataka walale nje, hawana chakula, wanatafuta chakula kwa mauchafu.
Imani erire nyina wende kwenda kiheo o giothe kuma mbeca-ini iria ahetwo ni arata ciringi 6,000 na ithenya-ini riu ihuthike kugura irio na kuhe andu aria matari, ona kana ihuthike gwakira nyumba andu aria meriga kuhamurithio, akiuga ti gikeno giake kuona andu magithinika ni irio.
Nilipatiwa pesa as my birthday present, nikamua niwasaidie na hiyo pesa, sikuwa nataka chochote.
Mwena-ini wake nyina wa Imani Makena Maboga augite ni eguthie na mbere kunyitirira mwari na kurugama nake hari gukinyaniria iroto ciake na gutambia wendo kuri ciana ingi. Oho akiuga riri no ikereka ria mbere na ni meguthie na mbere na guteithania.
I was so happy and I'm ready to support her. I've supported her and I'm ready to do it. I will nurture this because it is a talent in her and I'm going to nurture it as a mother.
Aria mamukirite uteithio uyu maugite ni mahotetwo ni wendo wa Imani, makiuga matirerigiriire undu toyo gukorwo gikwo ni mwana munini.
Na ninashukuru sana leo. Juu nimeshangaa sana kuona mtoto mdogo kama huyu amejitolea. Na kama ni wengine angesema niliyokuwa kitu kingine. Kwa hivyo ningeomba Mungu abariki mtoto sana.
Sio kawaida, it is a strong faith brought forward. Alafu it shows us that all grown-ups wherever we are, we have to enumerate what the girl has done and even teach our children to be able to feel for others when it is really, when they are in need. And in that way, they will grow up to be better citizens and to give to others.
Atongoria a wathani wa matura mwena uyu nao matinatigwo na thutha kuona nio makinyanirie uheani uyu, guku makiuga ni hari bata aciari kuhanda muthingi murumu na mugaciru kuri ciana ciao na oho gukorwo makinyitanirira hindi ya mathina.
Na ni hekima ya amri wake ya kuwa watu wasaidiane kwa yale ambayo wamesaidiwa. Hii mapato tunayo ni Mungu ametupangia.
I'm urging all the other parents to take up the challenge to bring up such a generation and such a unique style of humanity, because what we are doing, especially in urban areas, we have become too individualistic and we are collecting everything for ourselves.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.